Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Josie and today we are doing an unboxing of the Barbie flip phone. I honestly had no idea that a Barbie flip phone even existed. The only way I came across it was because I lost my phone in the ocean. I know, I lost my iPhone in the ocean. It is currently in the Santa Monica Pier. But anyway, here is the box that it comes with. It's actually intended to give your smartphone a vacation. So this is all it comes with. It comes with 3 different covers, stickers, and even a little keychain. It looks like a toy, but it's real. So let's go ahead and unpack this. This bubblegum pink box. I feel like it looks like there would be pastries in here. Does it not? It's so cute. Also, this is magnetic. And I didn't know this, but you can use the box as a jewelry storage. So this is her. As I've mentioned, I've already used this phone, so it's already been decorated, but I still wanted to show you guys the unboxing because it deserves recognition. So these are the different cases. Oh my god, the sun. So there's this swirly one, and there is this one. I think this one's super cute. I love it. All right, up next, the phone. I love this. I love this one, the one that says Barbie. So that's what I chose. As you can see, I've already decorated with some cute little stickers. I had to put this one in here because it screams Barbie to me. And then of course I have bedazzled it. This is so 90s core, and I was born in the 90s, so I just had so much fun just even decorating it. But the charms on this, are you kidding me? Look, it comes with a little ice cream. It comes with sunglasses. It comes with a little palm tree, a little heart, and my favorite, the little roller skate. How freaking cute is this? Okay, I'm gonna show you what's inside of it, but let's just finish the unboxing. So look how cute. It's velvet. Is this velvet? I don't know, but it's soft. And you can definitely put your jewelry in here. And there's more storage at the bottom. It comes with a pink charger. Look how cute. Pink charger, everything pink. We love. Okay. And then the fun part, instructions you won't really need, but it comes with the cute little stickers you can decorate with. I should have chosen this one. Oh my god, memories. I actually had the Barbie van, and it just brought so many memories from when I used to play Barbie. Oh, so cute. The little diamonds, so freaking adorable. Are you joking? And then more storage. So yeah, that was like a whole experience. Super beautiful. Okay, now the fun part. Let's get into the phone. As you may have already noticed, it comes with a mirror. I love this. You can do your lipstick or just check yourself out. And aside from that, it also tells the time. And this is a camera and this is a flashlight. Okay, here's the flashlight. It's honestly not too bad. It also comes with different backgrounds you can choose from. I chose this one. So cute. It comes with a camera. Honestly, not too bad. Not too bad. One of my favorite features are the games that it comes with. Like if you're waiting somewhere and you don't have, I mean, you can't scroll on Instagram, who cares? Because you can actually play all of these fun, like vintage games. It comes with Birdie, it comes with Gems, it comes with Guardians, and Whack-A-Mole. Are you kidding me? My favorite is the Birdie one. I'm always playing it. I don't know if you can see. Okay, I lost. But yeah, that game is so fun. And it also comes with maps, and it comes with Google. And of course, it shows the weather, you know, what the weather's gonna be. One of my other favorite features are the to-do list. I did not expect this to come with a to-do list, but it does. And you know, once you're done with the task, you can click it and it turns into a check mark. Love it. It comes with FM radio, and you can also download music in here. You would have to download it, but yeah, you can listen to music. Comes with a calculator. It comes with, what is this? A recorder. I never know what you would need a recorder for, but never used it. And it even comes with Barbie tips. Digital balance tips, if you care to know. It says the key to enjoying both online and offline life is balance. Let's get started. Showing you this. So cute. Dream house rules. Make tech-free zones in your own dream house. More room, more fun. Oh my God. Why am I excited? That's actually very thoughtful. Oh my God, there's so many tips on here. Are you kidding me? It's so freaking cute. I love this phone. So I actually used the flip phone for a whole month. Believe it or not. A whole month with a flip phone, and it like changed me completely. I am an anxious person, especially when it comes to like social settings. I remember at work, like during my lunch break, I would just be on my phone, and I was just so like nervous to talk to my coworkers when I was still new. And having the flip phone literally forced me to talk to them, because I couldn't, like, I wasn't just gonna sit there and like look at the table, you know? So it actually forced me to talk to them. And now I'm like, I love going to my job. I love talking to my coworkers, all thanks to my flip phone. Honestly, I can go back and say that my flip phone gave me that little push to be able to talk to my coworkers. Believe it or not. Aside from that, I was just talking to my husband about this. I was so productive that month that I had the flip phone, because I wouldn't just go home and doom scroll after a long day of work. Like, I was actually forced to do something with my time. And I've been thinking about like going back to school. So I would just go on my laptop. I would search up like the different schools. I would do more research on, you know, the career path that I wanted to take. I made so many appointments that month. I made an appointment with my dentist and my doctor, counselors. I finally signed up for therapy. Like, all these little things that add up that like make the biggest difference, I was able to do in a whole month because of my flip phone. So if you've ever thought about getting one, I would 100% tell you to get one. Don't overthink it anymore. Like, do it. And the flip phone, this was $100 on Amazon. And everything that it comes with, absolutely super cute, perfect for the summer. And imagine, see you soon, bye. Doesn't get better than that, honestly. So yeah, some cons I would say would be the maps. The only thing about the maps is that if you want to use it as your everyday phone and your car doesn't have like maps installed and you rely on a phone to get you somewhere, this isn't the best option because you're gonna have to click the next step, and I wouldn't recommend, you know, using your phone and driving. But if you're with someone else that can do that for you, that's a different story. But other than that, get the phone. And even if you haven't thought about getting a flip phone, hopefully this motivates you to get one if you want. If you don't have self-discipline, I would say, because I did not have self-discipline. But yeah. Anyway, I'm so glad I finally was able to film this video. If you stayed this long, thank you. You can comment a heart emoji so I know that you stayed. And if you do end up getting a flip phone, go ahead and let me know the pros that you noticed in your life. I would love to know that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.